Losing a tooth doesn't just change how you smile. It can affect how you eat, how you speak, and how you feel about yourself. So in this video, I'm walking you through the top services to help replace a missing tooth, and the one I personally used. Whether you're after something quick, long-term, or budget-friendly, let's break it all down and help you smile with confidence. So let's talk about how to replace a missing tooth, because you're not alone. It's more common than people think. The good news is there are some solid options out there. Dental implants are the gold standard. These are long-term replacements that act just like real teeth. A small post goes into your jawbone, and after it heals, a crown is attached on top. It's a bit of a process and costs more upfront, but it's durable and feels natural. Bridges are a little simpler. They work by anchoring a new tooth to the ones on either side of the gap. That does mean modifying the adjacent teeth a bit, but it's quicker and often more affordable than implants. And then there are dentures, removable sets that work best for people missing multiple teeth. These come in partial or full sets and are way more natural looking than they used to be. Plus, they're usually the most budget friendly. Bottom line is, whether you're missing one tooth or several, you've got options. Alright, now here are my top 3 tooth replacement choices, and we'll start with the one that's hands down the easiest to get and use from home. First up, ResetSmile. It's an at-home service that lets you replace a missing tooth without needing surgery or frequent trips to the dentist. They send you a kit to take impressions from home, and then craft a custom replacement that looks natural and feels comfortable. If you're after something non-invasive and affordable, this is at the top of the list. So here's how it goes down. They send you an impression kit to take molds of your teeth. You also upload a few photos to match your tooth color. Drop everything in the prepaid pouch and send it back. They scan and 3D print your replacement using Volpast, a soft, dentist-approved material that's been around for years. And rest assured, this is not just a DIY build. Every order gets reviewed by a licensed dentist, and it works whether you're missing one tooth or several, top or bottom. Now, pricing is one of the biggest reasons people go with ResetSmile. A single tooth costs $550 or $470 if you pay up front. A full upper or lower runs $760 or $640 with full payment. Both arches together, $1,140 or just $970 if you pay up front. If you've got an FSA or an HSA, you can use those. And if money is tight, they've got monthly plans starting at just $39, usually with no interest. What really stands out though is their 30-day money-back guarantee. If the tooth doesn't fit right, they'll fix it. And if you're still not happy, you get a full refund. Compare that to normal dental work, which can run easily $1,800, maybe $2,000. It is easy to see why people go with this one. So I actually gave ResetSmile a try when I was searching for a cheaper alternative to implants. I knocked out my big front tooth, this one, in a hockey game. I was actually shocked by how easy it was. The kit came in and I just followed the steps. Now, taking impressions at home can feel weird for sure, but it was simple. The finished tooth showed up a few weeks later. It fit great, looked natural, and saved me from a heavy dentist bill. If you're thinking about giving ResetSmile a try, check out the link in the description. For most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Next up is Snap-on Smile. This one is a removable cover your dentist fits over your natural teeth. It's non-invasive and custom made. It's a solid choice if you're dealing with gaps, chips, or missing teeth, but aren't ready for something permanent. You can eat and drink while wearing it, and since it's removable, you decide when to use it, be that every day or just for special occasions. It's a quick, natural-looking confidence boost with no drilling or surgery. So here's how it goes. You start with a quick visit to your dentist, where they take impressions of your teeth. Those get sent to a US-based lab, where your custom Snap-on Smile is made. At your follow-up appointment, the dentist fits and adjusts it until it feels just right. It's quick, it's painless, it doesn't require any permanent changes to your natural teeth. Now, cost-wise, it really varies depending on your dentist and individual needs. I'd say budget in the realm of like $1,000 to $2,000 per arch. It's a solid middle ground and significantly cheaper than implants. Now, yes, it is mainly cosmetic, so it won't fix deeper dental problems. And I've heard from users that it can feel a bit bulky at first, but most people adjust quickly and the comfort improves the more you wear it. It really does make a difference in how your smile looks. If all you really want is a better looking smile, go with Shiny Smile Veneers. It snaps on right over your teeth and gives you a brighter, more even smile. No dentist visits and certainly no drilling. Just a quick at-home process. What's cool is how customizable it is. They've got 3 different shades to pick from, so you can match your ideal look. and it comes with a 15-month warranty. Here's how it works. Select a payment plan, choose your shade, and order the impression kit. Everything you need comes in the box, and shipping is free across the US. You take your molds, send them back, and in about 3 to 5 weeks, your veneers show up in the mail. If you're in a rush, there's a $150 express option that'll get them back in 2 weeks. Now, pricing here is straightforward. You can pay all at once or split into 2 or 3 payments. It's $570 for one payment, $290 for 2 payments split up, or $295 for 3 payments. Shipping is free across America, and it's a flat $100 for Europe. It's hands-off and gives you control over how you look. No dentist required. And that is it for the video. Hopefully, this gave you a clear picture of what's out there when it comes to replacing a missing tooth, whether you're leaning toward a more cosmetic fix or something more long-term. Everything I covered here is based on real testing and research, so you can make the call that fits your needs, not just what's trending online. Now, quick heads up. I talked about 3 services in this video, but I recommend using ResetSmile the most. It's the one I went with. So if you're interested in checking them out, I left an affiliate link down in the description. And like I said earlier, for most of the products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to any of their websites. So use the links down in the description. And finally, if this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and drop a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts or questions. See you in the next one.